In this video, we'll show you how to get started on an NVIDIA-Powered Data Science Workstation. Built by leading workstation providers, these machines are optimized for GPU-accelerated data science right out of the box. These systems include a ready-to-run software stack built on CUDA-X AI and NVIDIA GPUs, with some of the most commonly used data science tools, such as Conda, with Rapid's data processing and machine learning libraries, and GPU-accelerated XGBoost, as well as Docker, to make it as simple as possible to hit the ground running. In this example, we're using two NVIDIA Quadro RTX 8000 GPUs with NVLink. Now let's get started. Let's take a look at the Conda environment that comes pre-installed on the workstation. You can enter Conda simply by opening a terminal and running the following command. This environment comes customized with many of the most commonly used data science tools and libraries. There's Jupyter, GPU-accelerated Rapids libraries such as cuML, CUDA-F, Dask, and XGBoost, and well-known libraries like scikit-learn and Pandas, which Rapids is modeled off of. This is to make it as simple as possible to switch your notebooks to run on GPUs with minimal code changes. Let's start Jupyter Lab. From here, you can load any of your notebooks and datasets and start working. Keep in mind, this is a virtual Python environment installed directly in your user profile, so any changes you make will persist. The workstation also includes Docker and the NVIDIA runtime pre-installed, so you can easily run containers from NGC, NVIDIA's hub of GPU-accelerated software. To learn more about NGC, go to ngc.nvidia.com. To use a container in Docker, simply pull it from the NGC registry. In this case, we're pulling the Rapids container, but other software and libraries are also available. Once the Docker image is downloaded, start the container with the following command. Then, enter Jupyter Notebook by running this command. Now we're in a very similar environment to the Conda one we showed you earlier, except now we're working inside an isolated container. I've mounted the downloads directory as a volume, so I can load my data directly into the container. Next, I'll just copy over the notebooks that I'm working on, and I can immediately start working and refining my models. Let's run a quick example of what you can do. Here, we have a demo notebook to predict cab fare amounts using the New York City taxi dataset. Using the two Quadro RTX 8000s with 96 gigs of total GPU memory, we can ingest a whole year's worth of data directly into the GPU, then process and train our model on the data in a matter of seconds. Compared to the CPU version, the GPU notebook runs an order of magnitude faster. The functions are also very similar, allowing you to easily convert your notebooks to run on GPUs. And that's it. That's all there is to getting started on an NVIDIA-powered data science workstation.